So how can you disable Safari private browsing mode on the iPhone and iPad? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and explanations like this one. The way that it works is that you go to your iPad and check out the screen time section. It's part of the settings, of course, so you just go through it. But part of the restrictions, go to the content and privacy restrictions. Make sure that the toggle is enabled because otherwise it will not let you edit anything below. But from the App Store, media, web, and games, like tap on that particular menu. And from the options which appear here, go to the web content. And by default, it's likely going to be unrestricted, but you need to either restrict it with one way or the other. Just make sure it's not unrestricted. So make sure to limit these websites or whatever, and then the Safari will limit those websites. However, in order to make the private browsing mode disappear completely, you need to also set up a passcode for your settings here. So inside of the screen time, make sure to click on lock screen time settings and you set up a passcode for this feature specifically. It's not supposed to be the same passcode to unlock the iPad. That is a separate code. So here you choose a different one. But once you do set it up, you'll be able to go to the Safari and there is simply not going to be the private mode. And it also applies to other third-party web browsers. Like if somebody uses the Google Chrome, then it will also apply to that browser. So that is all that you really need to know about it. I really hope that I could help you out with this. Let me know in the comments if it worked. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.